Our target sound is eh, elf. This is commonly known as the short E. The key sentence is, the elf said, I want bread. The elf said, I want bread. Do you notice in this sentence that there are 3 different ways we can spell the eh sound? Eh, elf. Eh, said. Eh, bread. So these are the 3 spellings that are the most common for the sound eh. Eh, eh, eh. Egg, head, said. Now I'm going to read some words with that have the eh sound. Look at the way eh is spelled in each of these. The eh spelling will be bolded. Treasure, says, breakfast, heavy, friends, leopard, ocean, marshmallows, present, mountain, envelope. Do you notice all the different ways we can spell eh? Now go see what eh words and what eh spellings you can discover. Have a great day.